कार लेना चाहते हैं but worried about the price? Second hand or used car loans could help you get your dream car without straining your finances. चलिए इस फाइनेंसिंग मेथड के बारे में जानते हैं।
Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to be notified of new videos. For more such videos, click on the link in the description.
With a second hand car loan, आप एक pre-owned कार आसानी से खरीद सकते हैं while paying for it in affordable EMIs. Suppose आप एक family SUV लेना चाहते हैं पर वो आपके बजट के बाहर है. With a used car loan, you could afford a car of your choice for a considerably lower price. Here's what you need to know about how the loan works. आपको कार की वैल्यू का 80% तक का लोन मिल सकता है, sometimes even more, depending on the eligibility criteria. Interest rates usually 10% से शुरू होते हैं and could increase as per the car's condition. Loan tenure 1 से 5 साल का हो सकता है, so you can choose as per your convenience. Additionally, your loans processing fee might get waived off if कोई special offers available है या lender के साथ आपके terms अच्छे हैं. Before moving ahead, एक बार eligibility criteria पर भी नजर डाल लेते हैं. Most lenders require you to be between 21 and 65 years. आपके पास stable income होनी चाहिए, चाहे आप salaried हो या self-employed. आपकी minimum monthly income ₹15,000 होनी चाहिए. Finally, a credit score of 700 or above could improve your chances of approval. अब बात करते हैं documents की. Here's a basic checklist. ID proof जैसे आधार या पैन कार्ड, एड्रेस प्रूफ लाइक अ यूटिलिटी बिल या वोटर ID, इनकम प्रूफ सच एज सैलरी स्लिप्स और बैंक स्टेटमेंट्स, कार के डिटेल्स जैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट और इंश्योरेंस पेपर्स. Additionally, the car's valuation report might also be needed, which could help get a better estimate of the price. Before you apply, कुछ important चीजों का ध्यान रखें. First, loan to value ratio. अगर LTV लो है तो हायर डाउन पेमेंट देनी पड़ सकती है. So, remember to factor in this expense. Second, interest rates. एक small difference भी long term savings में help कर सकता है. So, compare rates carefully. Finally, inspecting the car. Proper inspection से कार की accurate market value मिल सकती है. This helps calculate the LTV ratio and other loan terms. So, a well-maintained car might mean smoother approval and fewer headaches down the road. So, if you're planning to get a used car loan, be sure to do your research, compare lenders, and choose the loan terms that fit your budget. Stay tuned to Academy for more interesting videos on second-hand car loans.